I'm Mrs. Chuckery.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Evanitsky. And we're sorry that you couldn't be with us here in person for a back to school night. So instead, we decided to make you a presentation to highlight some of our program features, as well as give you a little tour around the vet sciences space.
What do we study here in Veterinary Sciences? Well, while you're here, you will learn all about medical terminology, including the vocabulary associated with anatomy and physiology, which is what you will do the entire second half of the first year. We spend a lot of time on restraint and handling of animals for both our safety and their safety. We do very basic veterinary procedures, very basic grooming procedures like nail trims, bathing, ear cleaning, how to take a temperature, things like that. Also how to prep for surgery and post-surgery care. Mrs. E gets into laboratory and clinical procedures as well.
So veterinary assistants in general, a lot of examples of some of the responsibilities of vets include they attend daily caretaking needs of the animals under their care, such as feeding, walking, providing water, and clean bedding. They clean and disinfect animal cages, exam rooms, and treatment areas. We also maintain surgical equipment, sterilize surgical instruments, assist the veterinarian and licensed vet techs, as well as needed in surgery. We administer medications to patients, properly restrain patients for blood and urine collection, as well as tissue sampling for testing. We also perform laboratory tests such as urinalysis setup, operation of automated blood machines, fecal exams, SNAP tests, and we also maintain patient charts that document daily care.
And this is my classroom. This is where the first year students do their work. There is a lot of reading and writing and research the first year of the program, but of course we spend a lot of time in the lab as well.
This is my classroom. The second and third years are going to be in my classroom all together. The second year of veterinary sciences includes a lot of medical math, pharmacology, and pharmacy. We also do some professional development as well as client communication.
This is our wall of patients. We like to have this up so the kids can see the familiar faces that they will be seeing throughout the year. These guys come in relatively often to allow us to work on them and learn our skills.
And this is our kennel. So we actually have an in-house kennel. We don't keep any patients overnight, but we do have a bank of cages as well as a few runs for some of our larger dogs to stay in.
This is our laboratory. It's a big open space and it's sort of divided into smaller areas. Against the far wall there, you will see the bathing and grooming area. We have 2 large stainless tubs and 2 hydraulic grooming tables. This is where students get a lot of their hands-on experience. Veterinary assistants and veterinary technicians tend not to do grooming in the field, but anytime we can get our hands on an animal, it's a good thing.
And this is just another view of the lab. So this includes, you can see the e-collars on the left-hand side of the picture, as well as our lab station. So we actually have our own centrifuge for spinning down urine, fecal samples, sometimes blood. We also have really nice IDEX laboratory machines that we can do blood analysis with. Those are also our physical exam tables. We kind of have stethoscopes in the background hanging there for all of our students to check out their patients.
And here you'll see some of our past students working on the animals. I see at least 2 students on there that are now in school to become veterinary technicians. And I see 1 student in there who is going to become a veterinarian.
And here is just kind of a collection of pictures. We do a lot of fun field trips in this program. You can see we all went to the zoo. We usually make a yearly trip to the zoo, which includes the aquarium. We go to PVSEC generally and explore the hospital, as well as Animal Friends, and take a look around a shelter. You can see in the upper right, we also had Canine Officer Joy do a visit with us and show us all the different tactics they train them in. It's pretty cool. And Miss Chuckery.
If you look down there in the lower left-hand corner, I actually do a lot of programs at elementary schools and middle schools to let kids know that we exist and exactly what we do. And the students have the opportunity to come along with me on those as well. So let's have a great year, guys.
Yeah, we do a lot here. We have a great time. So thanks for joining us, and bye.